When it comes to boating, safety is non-negotiable. EPIRBs, emergency position indicating radio beacons, are essential devices that can save lives by sending distress signals to rescue authorities in emergencies. From compact models to high-performance units, the best EPIRBs combine reliability, ease of use, and rapid response capabilities, ensuring peace of mind every time you hit the water. Starting at number 1. ACR GlobalFix V6 GPS EPIRB. The ACR GPS EPIRB is designed to enhance your safety on the water. With its return link service, you can have peace of mind knowing that your distress signal is confirmed, ensuring that help is on the way. It operates on a reliable 406 MHz frequency, compatible with global satellite systems, making it effective for emergencies anywhere in the world. Additionally, the device connects to your smartphone via NFC, allowing you to manage settings and access the free ACR Beacon mobile app conveniently. Its built-in strobe and infrared strobe lights provide extra visibility, crucial for rescue operations. What we like: global emergency coverage, smartphone connectivity, long battery life, compact and lightweight design. Number 2. FEL Marine Mob Plus Wireless Man Overboard System. The FEL Marine Mob Plus system offers a reliable safety solution for boaters. It automatically stops your boat's engine if someone falls overboard, helping you react quickly in emergencies. You can connect up to 4 crew members to the system, ensuring everyone on board is protected. This setup gives you the freedom to move around your boat without worrying about safety. Plus, the plug-and-play installation means you can set it up easily without complicated tools or professional help, so you're ready to sail with confidence in no time. What we like: automatic engine stop. Supports 4 crew members. Freedom of movement. Easy plug-and-play setup. Number 3. Ocean Signal Rescue ME-MOB-1 AIS Man Overboard Device. The Ocean Signal MOB-1 AIS beacon is a compact safety tool designed to help you in man-overboard emergencies. It quickly sends your exact location to nearby boats and chart plotters, making rescue faster and easier. Thanks to its built-in GPS with 66 channels, the device ensures your position is shared accurately. You don't have to worry about turning it on manually, as it activates automatically when it hits the water, seamlessly attaching to your life jacket. This means you get reliable protection without extra effort, giving you peace of mind while out on the water. What we like: automatic water activation, precise GPS location, compact and lightweight, integrated AIS alert. Number 4. ACR GlobalFix V6 Survival Kit with ResQLink 410. The ACR Survival Kit combines essential safety tools designed to keep you protected during emergencies. The GlobalFix V6 EPIRB uses GPS to send your exact location to rescue teams, ensuring quick help when you need it most. The ResQLink 410 personal locator beacon also offers GPS tracking, making it easier for rescuers to find you fast. The waterproof Rapid Ditch Express bag keeps all your emergency gear safe and dry, so you're always prepared. Lastly, the Hemilight 3 strobe light provides a bright, reliable signal to increase your visibility in distress situations. With the ACR Survival Kit, you have dependable tools to enhance your safety on the water. What we like: GPS tracking for fast rescue, waterproof emergency storage, bright strobe signaling light, reliable personal locator beacon. Number 5. ACR GlobalFix V6 EPIRB Kit. The ACR EPIRB Survival Kit is designed to enhance your boating safety. It features the GlobalFix V6 EPIRB, which helps you send a distress signal without needing a subscription, ensuring peace of mind while you're out at sea. The kit includes a ResQFlare electronic flare, providing a reliable way to signal for help in emergencies. You'll also find a Rapid Ditch Express bag, which is perfect for quickly securing essential items during an evacuation. Additionally, it comes with a Hemilight 3 strobe light to boost visibility in low-light situations, keeping you safer during a crisis. What we like: no subscription required, reliable distress signaling, quick evacuation support, Enhanced visibility.